Looking for the best dry erase boards? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dry erase boards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. XBoard, magnetic dry erase aluminium framed whiteboard with detachable marker tray, 48 inches by 36 inches. Solidly made. Lightweight enough to be portable, but also has a very secure, 4-corner installation system. Erases well with no lingering residue. A high-quality yet lightweight option that installs very securely. The marker/eraser tray is small and a little on the cheap side. Some buyers have had issues with this option arriving damaged. At number 2. Yuck, magnetic dry erase whiteboard, 17 inches by 11 inches. Gets top marks for being thin and flexible, which is unusual in a dry erase board. Erases well, and the magnetic surface works great. Comes in a sturdy, reusable tube. A great price for a unique and versatile dry board. Use it as is, or cut it into various sizes to fit your needs. You need to make sure the surface you mount this on is absolutely flat, as any blemish will show up on the dry board. Pens are low quality, and the caps can be hard to get off them. At number 1. VIVREAL Office, magnetic dry erase board with aluminium frame, 48 inches by 36 inches. Very large and lightweight. Despite its size, it is very easy to install. We love how it comes with a lot of accessories to get you started, from markers and erasers to magnets. Durable frame. A little more expensive than other options, but you'll get a lot of quality in a large board. Plan on upgrading the accessories fairly quickly. The plastic covering that this ships with is a pain to remove. The accessories are not of the highest quality. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.